In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank and credit card statement PDP transactions into QuickBooks Online. To get started, open your browser and sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're in the right company file if you manage more than one. It's also a good idea to confirm that you've already downloaded your bank or credit card statement from your financial institution, usually as a CSV, QBO, or similar supported file type, and that it's saved somewhere easy to find on your computer. Once you're logged in, look for the banking area. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Banking directly on the left-hand menu, or you might see Transactions first and then Banking underneath it. Click into Banking so you can see the list of accounts that are connected or available. Next, choose the specific bank or credit card account you want to import into. This is important because QuickBooks is going to treat every transaction in the file as belonging to this account. If you have several accounts with similar names, take a second to double-check that you're selecting the correct one. Now you're ready to start the upload. In the banking screen, find the link account drop-down at the top right. Instead of connecting to a bank, you're going to upload a file manually, so click Link Account and then choose Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks that you already have a statement file ready to go. A window will open prompting you to choose your file. Click the button to browse your computer, navigate to the folder where you saved the bank or credit card statement, and select that file. Once it's selected, confirm to move to the next screen. QuickBooks will now guide you through matching the columns in your file to the fields it uses. This step is called mapping. Carefully match your file's date column to the date field, your amount column to amount, and your description or memo column to description. If your file has separate columns for money in and money out, make sure they're assigned correctly. Taking your time here helps prevent transactions from importing incorrectly. After mapping, QuickBooks will show you a preview of the transactions it's about to bring in. Review this list and select the transactions you actually want to add. When you're satisfied, confirm the import to bring those transactions into your bank feed. Finally, go back to the banking screen and review what was imported. You'll see the new transactions sitting in the For Review tab. From here, categorize them by assigning the correct payees and expense or income accounts so your reports and financial statements stay accurate and organized.